Bedside table with a storage rack, 2 drawers, a door, and an open shelf. It can be used as an end or side table, or even as a bookcase in bedrooms or living rooms. Its modern design fits well in any space. 2-tier sliding drawer for kitchen cabinets. Strong and stylish baskets fit anywhere, saves space, and organizes various items easily. Simple installation. Stainless steel tea ball infuser strains loose tea leaves or herbs. Just fill close and steep in hot water. Easy to use and clean. It helps make delicious tea every time. Balcony sofa bed folds into a lounge chair. Can be used as a bed or sofa for one person. Retractable design. Shoe rack rotates, sticks to door, holds mini shoes. Tempered glass divider removable. Great for entryways. This kitchen organizer holds seasoning jars and a chopping board. It's great for salt, sugar, coffee, tea, and more. Keeps your kitchen tidy and ingredients dry. Perfect for preserving and decorating. This portable window cleaner with a spray water washer is for faster window cleaning. It's a professional accessory that brings convenience and ease to your window cleaning tasks, making them quicker and more efficient. Manual dumpling maker for shaping dough. Presses dumpling skins easily. Perfect for making pastry and baking. Simplifies dough pressing. Wooden case for storing sewing needles. Keeps them organized and easily accessible. Versatile holder for sewing needles. This amazing versatile walnut clip, made of aluminum alloy, is for cracking nuts. With a handle for easy use, it's a handy kitchen tool. Kitchen floor tile stickers are durable, water and oil resistant, easy to clean, eco-friendly, self-adhesive, and suitable for smooth surfaces. Multi-layer kitchen cabinet with doors for storage, made of simple metal, suitable for microwave ovens and electrical appliances. Stainless steel vegetable peeler with hidden blade. Hang it up for simple storage, easy to use and store. Wall-mounted bear-shaped plug holder organizes cables and adds fun decoration to home. Ideal for organizing plugs in a playful way.